Hello everyone, it is Sarah B here with another box from Stitch Fix. This is number 8, I think. I've lost track. Full disclosure, I already sneaky peeked. My dear friend Lauren was here over the weekend and I could not, she's the one who got me into all of this, so I could not resist the urge to open it up with her in person and get some in time reactions. Not that your comments aren't lovely and wonderful, but sometimes I have to send things back before I can read and appreciate your comments. So it was good to have some in-person input as well. But here I am doing all of this for you as well. Yeah, it's good. It's interesting. I surprised Lauren and myself. I will explain why. Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service. It is $20 a month or $20 a box. You can opt to get one box a month, one every 3 months, as you like them, one every 2 to 3 weeks. I was just invited to be a part of the, what do they call it? I don't know. I forget. You guys, I haven't had much coffee considering how late in the day it is. I paid a one-time $49 fee, and for a year of Style Pass, it's called Style Pass. I knew I would remember it. It allows me to get unlimited boxes for the year. How cool is that? And then that $49 can be applied to any of the boxes, so you don't feel pressured to spending that $20 every time. So it gives you a little bit more, I don't know, a little bit more discretion, a little bit more pickiness as you're going through your things to make sure that you're only keeping what you want. You're not pressured into keeping anything. I don't feel like I've ever been pressured to keep into anything from Stitch Fix. To not lose my $20. But I'm excited to have more options and the ability to have more boxes so I can do more videos for you. This is my bundle! I got a big box this time. I've been getting little boxes, but I got a big box this time. I had asked specifically for blazers and circle skirts because I'm like, it's this never-ending quest for me to find a good circle skirt, like a nice, I feel feminine but professional in circle skirt. It's like my dream. But we'll see what I got. The first piece is a sleeveless, really comfy, like knit from 41 Hawthorne. It is like has this crossover front and ruched sides. Super soft. The second piece is a professionally top. I'm not blown away. I'm not blown away by the pattern that's on it. It's just like little pinky flowers. The front part of the top is like polyester probably, but like a professional top. The rear side is like knit and stretchy, so I totally dig that. That is an awesome feature, especially for comfort and fitting purposes. The third piece is a dress. It is mixed by 41 Hawthorne, sorry. It is 3/4 length sleeve, slinky fabric on the top and bottom, I guess. I'm not sure about it. Lauren and I had a long discussion about this yesterday, and I will try it on for you and we will talk about it. But yes, professional dress. Lovely. The fourth piece is a Stitch Fix exclusive. It's a blazer that I asked for by Kenzie. Oh, it has shoulder pads in it. I don't think I noticed that before. So I don't own any blazers. I did get one other blazer in a Stitch Fix box, like very early on, and was not. I was green also, and I didn't think green. My first blazer ever should be green. I don't know. I was very biased. This one's black, so it has more appeal in that regard. But just a pretty simple blazer. No buttons, no connective tissue. Coffee, you guys, it is so necessary and not at all available at the moment. So a blazer. And then the last piece is a pair of pants by Liverpool which are like green, I think. My light is horrible. I swear to you, I'm working on trying to figure out a better lighting situation for like what space I have to do setup in my house. But they're like a gray green for a set of professional pants. So like 3 professional outfits all told with 5 pieces is not so bad, right? So I'm gonna try things on. And we're going to talk and see if we have a group consensus of the meeting of the minds as to what works for me and what is worth the dollar value, or what I can't speak. You understand what I mean. I will be right back. So this is the first outfit. The Liverpool pants fit fine. They don't blow me away. I'm not really sure about the color. I don't know. They're fine though. The shirt is really comfy, but not as fitted as I would like, but comfortable. My floors are super squeaky. I live in a really old house, sorry. The blazer, I'm really, really ambivalent about. I don't know, I just don't think I have a blazer shape. Does that make sense? It's not particularly well fitted for me. And it's completely understood that I'm a hard shape to fit, but I feel like even like a little bit of tailoring, something to help like shape would be better. So I'm not totally thrilled with the blazer. I'm gonna still think about the pants though. And we'll talk about everything when we look at prices too. But outfit number 1. So this is I think it's 41 Hawthorne shirt, which I really, really like. I like that it's long. I like that it's super comfy. I like the crossover, but it fits a little bit weird. It has like this hem, this neckline in the back that doesn't quite wrap around to the front. And then the ruching kind of sits funny on the side. Like, you see that? In general, I really love this style of shirt. If it was like even cap sleeves or 3/4 length sleeves, I'd feel better. But as it is, we're headed into fall weather, I would want something over my shoulders because I'm always cold. And since the blazer's not going to cut it, I have to think about what else that might be. So, things to think about. Moving on, time for the dress. And here's the dress. So, I mean, it's black, but there's polka dots in the bottom, so that's something. It fits really nicely, actually. It's just a hair shorter than I would typically go, a hair more low cut than I would typically go, but I love the 3/4 length sleeves, and in general, it's super comfy, and like a little bit of a twirly skirt. Lauren really wants me to keep this dress, and I'm on the fence about it. I don't know what I should do. So I'm putting it out there for all of you as well. I really do like it. I'm just not convinced that I will get out of my comfort zone enough to wear it to make the purchase worth it. But that goes back to the price. So let me get dressed and we will look at how much everything costs and kind of sort it out from there. Oh, hello. I never looked at this. Let's see what my stylist had to say. It's Meredith again. Welcome to another fix, Sarah. I did cross size to a blazer and black tank to get you some great workwear options. Since we haven't tried the sizing before, can you let me know your thoughts and how these two items fit in comparison with the other size you've been receiving? I started your fix off with these Liverpool bootcut pants. I know you like more trouser fitting style and they're more democratic fit for that comfort level. Appreciated, Meredith. Complete the classroom look with either of the tanks and layer with this fun blazer from Kenzie. You'll love that printed skirt on this faux wrap dress. The style gives you the circle skirt effect that you're looking for, and the length should be a great complement to your height. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on all these items and look forward to next time. Cheers, Meredith. Thank you, Meredith. And I do love that they always send you, like, ideas for how to, like, dress things in different ways. But to the heart of the matter, oh, that blazer's cute. Why will they send me that blazer? Sorry. To the heart of the matter, the cost. So, the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Geo something black dress, $58. I just don't know if I would wear it enough for that. I do like it. Do I like it $58 worth? Would I wear it $58 worth? Would I be comfortable enough to go out of the house to teach? I don't know. I have to think about it some more. Let me know your thoughts too. Be quick, because I gotta send this stuff back. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's the dress. The Paper Moon mixed material blouse in black is $38. I really like it. I'm not, and I can't believe I'm saying this. I wish the pattern were bigger or it was a brighter color more generally. You guys, what is happening to me? I think it's a little too and not enough of like something. If it was the exact same top but in a brighter color or different like bigger pattern, something a little bit less like me, I think I'd be more excited about it. But the fit is good. It's a little tenty, but I mean, I'm learning that just kind of goes with the territory with the shape that I am. The Liverpool Harper bootcut pants, which fit okay. They're $94. I don't love the color enough for $94. I think if they were a straight gray, I would definitely be able to justify spending the money on them because they'd be like a staple piece of my wardrobe. I don't know what I would pair with gray-green pants on a regular basis. And I'm probably just not thinking outside of the box enough. But perhaps I will ask my stylist to try the same pair of pants in a different color in a future box. I think I can do that. I will talk to her. I will message her and see. I love how responsive the Stitch Fix stylists are to the little notes that you write them. They know exactly what's going on, and I totally dig that. Okay, the next piece is the gray 41 Hawthorne Benny wrap front ruched knit top. $38. It's very comfy. I wish it was not sleeveless. I understand the sleeveless for the blazer, but since the blazer doesn't work, do I hang on to it until I find a blazer that does work? Because I think it would work with a blazer. Standalone as like a standalone piece, not so thrilled on, but if I had a blazer, right? And then the last piece is Poor Kenzie. I just don't think, maybe I'm not a blazer person. Maybe I need to get like a super tailored blazer. I don't know. I really wanted a blazer to work. I think it's very, I don't know, I think it's very finished looking. But Lauren and I had a large discussion about how blazers are just a result of patriarchy. So, we had a fun time yesterday. Anyway, the blazer is $88 and it doesn't fit me great. So that's a no-go anyway. So I don't know what to do. I don't have to buy anything. It's not like I'm losing money. There's no pressure there. Goodness gracious. The neighborhood. It's not like I'm losing my $20 styling fee if I don't buy anything. I am just, but I think that makes it harder because I'm not convinced of any one thing. I think if I don't keep the dress, Lauren is going to scold me, and we need it for our next girls' night out together. But I really like that gray top too, but it's gray. Should I not keep it because it's gray? I don't know. You guys, let me know what you think. I appreciate your notes so much. You have no idea. And give me some guiding advice as to what to keep from this lovely box. And stay tuned for my next one, which will happen in just a couple of weeks because I am now part of the Style Pass, so I can keep getting boxes thrown at me for new, fun, and exciting things to add to my wardrobe. I'm feeling like a very grown-up person now, a very grown-up wardrobe, finally moving beyond those poor clothes that brought me through my children's earliest years, and now my son is going to kindergarten tomorrow, and my daughter is going to preschool in a couple of weeks, and I can reassume my life as a professional person, at least quite a lot of the time. So, thank you for joining me on my ride, as always. Just a quick side note, I'm getting really close to 100 subscribers, which is an unbelievable goal for me. Again, this started off as a goofy little side project with Lauren prodding me from the sidelines. And now we're getting close to 100. And so I feel like that's a milestone I want to celebrate. And I want to put together a giveaway. Right? Would that be fun? Would that be something you guys would be into? Let me know. Write me some little love notes in the comments as to if you'd be into it and what kind of giveaway stuff you'd like to have part of it. We could have some, I don't know. Oh, I have crafty stuff that we could incorporate, some of my Darn Good Yarn projects or some of my cross-stitch projects. You could get a gift certificate to my Etsy shop where I could also do a custom cross-stitch project for you and your loved ones. Let me know what you think. I could record a voicemail outgoing message from my daughter for your cell phone in case you never want anybody to call you back again. Lovely ideas. They're just coming at me. But let me know what you think, and as we get closer and closer, I will finalize everything and encourage your friends to subscribe as well so that we can hit that magic 100 number all the sooner. Thank you so much, as always. Until next time, be well.